Open the potato, take a knife and peel the potato. After peeling, take water the potato and wash the potato. After washing, put the potato on the pan, drain the water and put on to quick. If you finish, wait after 10 minutes. Put the potato on the plate and eat.